Hey everyone, it's Norman Astronaut here and welcome back to another Minecraft video where today I'm going to be playing some more Cups and Crims. So we're going to be playing Alleyway as our first game today. So let's go. So we're going to be playing Alleyway today. We've already done some of the other apps. So here we are, we're going Alleyway and we're Team A. So yep, we got a sharp strike. So we're going to rush A for round one. So let's go. Let's rush A, we're going to chuck a grenade. Right here. And no kill there. Oh, sharp's down. So yep, we lost that first game. Let's just go up here now. We're gonna chuck another frag grenade. I'm just gonna camp here this time. So yeah, we are on a 1-2, so not doing that well, but at least we're gonna be able to fall by next round. So I think we're gonna just go with AK full out A rush. So yeah, let's see if we can get some great kills next round. But at the moment, the Patrick's SK is doing okay. He hasn't died yet, surprisingly. Then he dies. So yeah, let's go. So I can fall by. So we're gonna get AK in full armor. I'm gonna go from B to A actually, because they seem to be going to A. So yeah, gonna head up here, jump up here. I'm gonna try and rush through here as fast as you can, so you can get some kills. Yes, Sharp, thank you. So we're coming back around through A. So you can pick up the stragglers. Oh, we're getting owned, we're really getting owned. Who's doing that sniping? Oh wow, Patrick got a kill. Oh, we got the master! Oh! Oh, Sharp's down. Sharp is down. Wow. So close to doing that. So anyway, yep. We're 3-0 down. I'm on a 4-2. It's not that good, but then it could be better. Could be worse, I suppose. Let's go the same route. I'm gonna be down there. Really? So yeah, we're already dead. And that guy did bomb again, seriously? Oh great. Master's wrecking everyone. So yeah, I don't think this is gonna end well. Sharp's dead. And we have one guy left. Come on, Patrick. You can do this. Come on, bro. You can do this. Unlucky. So we are 4-0 down. I'm only on a 4-3, and not the master guys on a crazy high score. Why did she leave? So yeah, let's go. Let's go mid. And another guy leaves all on their team. Chuck a grenade over there. Oh, we got a kill! Got a grenade. 2 hits there. So yeah. Well, there we go. We just got 5 kills and owned everyone. Well, nearly everyone. But yeah, we did rather well there. So yeah, we won a 9-3 all of a sudden. See if we can get another nade kill. So yeah, Ruffy's invited us to a party. I'm not gonna accept for now. There's one of them. This thing they planted at B. Yes, he planted at B. Okay, someone just got a nade kill. So there we go. So another high score. So we're suddenly on 13-3. Having very recently been on a 4-3. So yeah. I think we're gonna go the same route again. We are comebacking this. Oh wow. So yeah, we died, kinda. So yeah, this is gonna be a long round. I mean a long game, but this might be the end. Yeah, it's gonna be the end. He's AFK. So yeah, we're gonna lose this one, but we ended up with the 5 kills somehow. Yeah. So yeah. So that was our first game. We're on Alleyway. We're gonna go on Sandstorm next. So yeah. Let's just go straight on Sandstorm here. Oh yeah. So yeah. We are on Team A right now. We're on Sandstorm, which is a map that we haven't played yet. So yeah. This is an okay map. It's a very good spots for nading. So yeah. Let's go. We're gonna rush A this time. So let's just chuck a code nade through there. Okay. What? Wow. You got major wrecks there. So let's head. I think they've gone towards B, so let's just head over there. There's already some people at B, so I thought B is the only place where they will be. It's the only place they could be. So where's the last dude? Where is he? And we got him! So GG. So yeah. This time we're gonna go rush B. So yeah, we'll go B this time. Go over to B. There are more. So it's just banana crafted after them. We're only on a 2-0 right now, so we're doing badly. But yeah, let's see if we can pull this back. Yep. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Then we're gonna come to B. And we got him. Oh, quite good. There's another. Oh wow! Wow! We just got owned. So yeah. It's been X99 who's still left, and he's planted the bomb at A. So yeah. Must be recording. So yeah, we're 3-0 up, and I think we'll YOLO sniper at this time. Max buy as well. Yeah, here we go. We're YOLO sniping it with a max buy as well. So max buy sniping it. Chuck an aid through there. Lol. They failed, and the snipes fail so hard. They so do. Just one at their spawn. There's one at their spawn. and I'm ready. So yeah, 30 seconds, and yeah, so let's hope that he can survive and they don't plant before then. Coming! No, we're gonna lose. Good try, guys. Well, 3-2, I'm doing so bad. But we're with Quim now, so we can go down mid and nade. So yeah, grenade down mid. We have the HK-45, and we often do well with the HK-45, so let's hope that happens again. Nade straight down there. Got him there. Nade today. So yeah. Got Benjamix. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna rush mid actually, not A. It's like a deep nade there. Didn't get a kill with it, but let's just carry on our today. Why couldn't I hit that dude? How didn't I hit it, to be honest? So let's find this dude, because he's doing well. So yeah. Neon, you know you're good. So yeah, there's 2 of them left, 2 of us left. We can do this. We can do this. Ah, GG. So we're gonna put XCal2. And yeah, that is Sandstorm, and that's Sandstorm and Alleyway. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, and peace out.